Hi, so we've come back to using the hello Python file. I've written out a conditional statement, and it says if 10 is not equals to 2, then print out that's right. So let's run this and see that it brings out the output, which it does here on the terminal. It says that's right. Now we're going to try something else. We're going to try and move this just backwards to be in line with the first line of code, right? And we're going to run it again and see if it will work. So over here, it gives us an error. If you go to problems, it says expected an indented block. So this is a challenge with Python because unlike other programming languages, or let me say quite a number of them, don't mind the spaces that you leave between lines of code. Like this is what I mean. Assuming you had the tab, one tab, and there was a space over here. Some of these languages don't mind how far you take this and the spaces between the some of the statements, but Python considers this as being very important, and that's the indentation error that it gives us over there. So we have to really be careful to make sure that whenever we're writing our lines of code, we maintain a specific length or a specific distance. So this is similar to a parent-child relationship where this line of code is placed inside this first conditional statement. So let's assume also that we have a second line and we place it in the same position with this, and let's try and run it, or maybe let's change this to yes it is. Let me run this, and it says that's right, yes it is. So it's working. So let me try and take this forward this way and run it again. And guess what? It gives us the same indentation error. It said unexpected indent. So what happened here is that this is found inside this line of code, right? So this is a child and this is a parent. But this one is also found inside this statement, this first statement. And it means this is also a child and this is a parent. So this is like a sibling to this one. So you try to force this to become a child of this, which is not right. So it's meant to be on the same line. And Python finds this as very, very important. And see, it gives us back our result as that's right. Yes, it is. So that's what the indentation error is.